Which one is correct? This envelope is made from recycled paper or this envelope is made from recycled paper? It is immoral to lie or it is amoral to lie? Hi, I am Aditya, your fun learning coach who's going to take you on a journey to become a confident communicator. So let's start our journey. In this course video, we are going to talk about envelope versus envelope, immoral versus amoral. So first, let's start with envelope versus envelope. The word envelope is a noun. It is a piece of paper with a sealable flap. For example, you must put a stamp on the envelope before you post it. Whereas the word envelope is a verb, which means to surround or cover something completely. For example, Delhi was enveloped with smoke last year. This means that Delhi was completely covered with smoke last year. Now you try and tell which one is correct. This envelope is made from recycled paper or this envelope is made from recycled paper? Yes, this envelope is made from recycled paper is the correct sentence. And now let's talk about immoral versus amoral. The word immoral is an adjective which describes people who understand the difference between good and bad but intentionally do bad things. For example, Rahul is an immoral shopkeeper. This means that Rahul knows difference between good and bad but does bad things. Whereas the word amoral is an adjective which describes people who do not know what's good or bad but do bad things because they do not care about morality. For example, Karan's gym trainer is amoral. This means that Karan's gym trainer does not know what's good or bad, but does bad things because he does not care about morality. Now you try and tell which one is correct. It is immoral to lie or it is amoral to lie? Yes, it is immoral to lie is the correct sentence. Time to practice what we have learned today. Choose the correct option in the given sentences. You can pause the screen and answer it. These are the correct answers on your screen. You can check your answers. So this was the difference between envelope versus envelope, immoral versus amoral. I hope you will not make these mistakes again. Similarly, there are many other common mistakes which we make. Want to know about them? Then you should watch my next course video. Till then, keep learning and keep shining. To start speaking with confidence, download the PlanetSpark app. The link is in the description below.